Oh, poor baby girl. Yeah. Mm-hmm. I've got legs and nose. No, 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 it's coming, it's coming, it's coming. What if the baby's all the way out and the bag is still over his head? I don't have any straw in here. The baby's not moving, but its shoulders are out. Yeah. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. He's moving. Poor little thing's covered in sawdust. You're allowed to laugh at me. I'm literally recording what a moron I am. Oh my gosh, the baby's here. Yeah, she is. She's not even moving. I mean, she's breathing, but she's exhausted. Yeah. No. No, she's just, eyes are closed, breathing deep. Baby is seriously trying to stand up, but is still half in the bag, so to speak. No, she's, oh, there we go. She just sat up. Hi, Mama. I feel like I should maybe get out of here and let her lick on baby. Yeah, okay. Okay, baby. Now she's eating. She's looking back there like, where did you come from?
Trying.